Meaning of dote.
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 Dote. The word dote has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One common meaning is to be excessively fond or affectionate towards someone or something, often to the point of being foolish or losing perspective. For example, a grandmother might dote on her grandchildren, showering them with gifts and attention. Another meaning of dote is to become senile or mentally impaired due to old age. This usage is less common than the first meaning. In general, dote conveys an idea of excess or impairment.